they're giving me crap, okay? I promise I'll start to record again, guys. I promise. You'll see Tranell and Tranell. I have a full shop, like usual. Let's see. Making some progress, have some new guys in here. Super excited for Chris here. He's overseas, but his dad brought the car, and we're doing a link and a BTI gauge and a tune for him. And this car is so nice. It is a, ooh, let me back up here. It's a right-hand drive, and I don't care. It is, these cars are so spacious on the inside. It doesn't make sense, but I really love these little MR2s. John Bear, we're making a lot of progress with you too. Don't fret. Oh yeah, baby. We got all the fab done. So we just need to finish the fuel system, which we just have to put the injectors in. We have everything for that. And then maybe a fuel pump, finish up some wiring, get the ECU and the 3.5-inch screen installed, which we have everything right here. We just have to finish it up. And get them tuned. This is the Neo, so this should make some good power. I'm excited. I know I'm rushing through all of this. We got Preston's car up and running, which is exciting. We got Jeff almost ready here. We got this exhaust. It's done really well. It's just we got a lot of balls here in the air and we're juggling. TJ, still waiting on you. But we get a lot of cars from other shops or mid-build, or it's very rare that we find vehicles that are in just tip-top shape, ready to go, just needs a tune. Poor Tranell, who's coming up soon here. His engine was in the car when it came, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he had put the engine in the car, but the car was, unfortunately, the engine was, what, seized?
The car sat outside, and, you know, it had spark plugs in the holes, but they were all, like, loose and probably started with 2 or 3 threads. So it being outside, going through all 4 seasons for multiple years, eventually acquired some water in the engine, and the engine was locked up at that point.
Yeah.
So he ended up having to source a new long block, but it's like
we had already did all the accessories and did all the fab work. All the fab work was done. Yeah, well, because the engine and everything was already installed, so we're like, all right, cool, we'll just bang out this fab work, do some electrical work, and get this thing fired up. And, you know, the water was already evaporated and gone, but the rust was there and what it left behind. So yeah, it is.
Yeah, it sucks.
We're kind of used to it. wrapping up with Tranell. He's on ethanol as well. RB25 don't stock Neo. He's got a pulsar turbo and some sort of Chinese fucking vehicles. We ain't here to judge.
Right where I want it.
Sounds good.
Yeah, not too shabby.